Hello, this is your geography teacher Jasveer Kaur ma'am. Going to teach you about your geography chapter number 7 map. Don't mix it up as we are doing chapter number 9, that is planning and development. But in between I thought that you should revise your map skills also, right? So here today I am going to teach you from your book map locations side by, and you have to see it carefully and prepare your maps accordingly on your notebook as well as for your book. First you have to read, then you have to prepare your notebook based upon these three maps. Today we will do these three maps: conventional energy resources, oil refineries and mineral resources. So these three maps we will do today. See, first one, it is that conventional energy resources. You know that conventional energy resources are coal fields, coal mines, oil field, major natural gas reserves, and HVJ natural gas pipelines. HVJ natural gas pipelines. So here he has given coal field, this type of remark is there, and coal mines, this triangular symbol is there, and oil fields, this square symbol is there, right? Where there are square symbols, they are oil fields. Then major natural gas reserves, they are like that, somewhat this one, right? I can zoom it and so that you may recognize accordingly. So in this way yes, a major natural gas, then this line shows about the HVJ natural gas pipelines, right? This symbol shows major natural gas reserves. First we will look about coal fields, right? Coal fields are there, this one, right? Singareni, these are the coal field, right? Some part of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, some part of this Telangana, and some part of this Jharkhand. Then there is this coal field, right? Among this coal field there are two coal mines. One is Singrauli and second is Korba. Here is Singareni. Again there is one coal field in Talcher in Odisha, and coal mine is Talcher. One more coal field is there, this one, right? There is coal mines are Bokaro, Jharia, Raniganj. Bokaro, Jharia, Raniganj. And some coal mines are here also, Moran and Jhanji. Moran and Jhanji are here, somewhat in the eastern states, right? Here you have to recognize the symbol of triangular. Then you have to come bilkul southern mein Naveli is there, right? In Tamil Nadu. That is also one coal mine. Now our second topic is oil field. Square shows, this symbol shows oil field. Let us find where are these square symbols. Yes. One symbol is here, Bassein near Mumbai High. 2 Mumbai High and Bassein. Kalol is there, right? Vadodara is there. Ankleshwar is there. Ankleshwar and Kalol. Square symbols, these are the oil fields. Then let us move towards the eastern states of India, Digboi, Narketia, and this one Sibsagar. There three are there: Digboi, Narketia, Makam, and Moran. Moran is there, right? These two are the main, Digbooi and Narketia. These are nearby. You have to take care. Upper one is Digbooi and lower one is Narketia. And overall, these all scare symbols show us oil field. Then we have this natural gas pipeline. It is from here Hazaria to via Vizapur to this Delhi, Gurgaon, up to this, right? Here are the Hazaria, Jubia, Vizapur, Ananta, Oronia, Jagdishpur, Saharanpur, Anoia, then Delhi, Gurgaon, Sonipat. These are the gas pipelines are here, natural gas pipeline. This is here. Then major natural gas reserves. These are also here. Vadodara, Kalol here. Right? Natural gas pipelines are here. Its reserves are limited in India. Okay, student. This is your map number, page number 79. From your book you have to say. Then I am going to tell you about next, oil refineries. You know that oil is extracted in its crude oil form, and from its crude oil it is refined and sent to the consumers accordingly. And all these are the having scare symbol dot, big dot, that is oil refineries. I am going to read this. You have to see that one is Bathinda, second one is Panipat, then Mathura, then Bina, then you may come to Gujarat, ठीक है, जामनगर, कोयली, मुंबई हाई हमने पढ़ा था अभी, मंगलुरु, then कोची, right, Mangaluru, then Kochi, then here is Nagapattilam, then Chennai, then Tattipaka, then Vishakhapatnam, right, then there is Haldia is seaport also. And you may see that all the oil refineries most are on the coastal plains. Then one is there in Barauni, near Bihar, in Bihar, Barauni, then Guwahati in Assam, then Namalgarh, Digbooi हमने पेट्रोलियम भी पढ़ा था. Then these are the main oil refineries of India. All these oil refineries you have to locate on your book, on your notebook, taking loose map, right? And very soon when we have this activity of geography, I'll ask you viva based upon these map skills only. Then some minerals, non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals are copper and bauxite, as we have read it in detail in our theory class. Copper is shown by this star and bauxite by this square having single line in between. So now we'll see copper. You have to recognize this is Khetri is the major in Rajasthan, right? Then Alwar, Bhilwara, Udaipur. 4 copper mines are there in Rajasthan: Khetri, Alwar, Bhilwara and Udaipur. One is here in मध्य प्रदेश, ठीक है, बिल्कुल ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट, साउथ ईस्टर्न पार्ट, दैट इज बालाघाट. वन हजारीबाग इज देयर इन झारखंड. वन सिंघम्बम इज देयर, दैट इज ऑल्सो इन झारखंड. तो ऑल दीज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 copper mines, right? 7 copper mines are there. Then we have to see these bauxite, Katni, right? Katni in Madhya Pradesh, Amarkantak on the border of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Then Bilaspur is there. It is also there in Chhattisgarh. Koraput, it is in Odisha. Malaika Hill, most important thing is there, Malaika Hills. These are in Chhattisgarh, on the border of Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. All these are the important mineral, non-ferrous minerals. earlier we have done ferrous mineral, so then you have to take, we have done this map, metallic mineral. Next is, hopefully you are understanding my theme, what I want to tell you. I have told you minerals, right? Mineral, non-ferrous minerals. Then next I told you non-ferrous mineral, we have done copper and bauxite. Another we have done conventional source of energy, coal field, coal mines, oil field, major natural gas reserves, HVJ natural gas pipeline, and next one we have done oil refineries of India. Okay, major oil refineries where oil is refined. You know that this oil is liquid gold, this one hardest diamond is their hardest mineral, so on so forth. So dear children, this is all about your map skills. Do one thing, take care whenever you are try to remember, locate the places, try to locate all these places with the help of state location boundary. It would be nice, it would be easier for you people. Right, 3 maps we have done, non-conventional source of energy. 2 maps left that I will show you in my next video. So try to complete it, right? And then very interesting clause is there on your book, geography creating history. Geography creating history. That also you have to go through, and we'll discuss it in our live class. What is the theme behind this? What is the idea behind that? And how we can go through, how we can save energy, how we can use these conventional, non-conventional sources of energy, and we can also create history by using our geography with the appropriate chemistry. Bye students, take care. Don't forget to locate the places on map, and you will get marks for this activity.